Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you for visiting. If you are a first time visitor, hello, welcome to Vroom Zoom, and if you are a subscriber, thanks for coming back. Here I am again with my beautiful SV650, the 2003, I don't know, probably one of the most highest regarded Suzuki's apart from the Gixxer range, I suppose. And yeah, I'm absolutely loving this bike. I've had it for a little while now. So I'm making a whole bunch of videos. So if you are interested in Suzuki SV650s, please subscribe, that'd be great. And also if you're interested in motorcycles with two wheels, then please subscribe as well, because there's going to be a lot more videos. So today I've just received the indicators for the back here because it came with these older style ones and I really wanted to replace them out to the lovely clear lens one. So I'm going to do that now, so stay tuned. I'll quickly run through any issues or whatever, and yeah, hopefully we can learn something together from this video. Okay, so here's the ones with this yellow lens, and of course newer bikes these days don't come with this little lens. And here's how it arrived. So a bit of a look. There it is. Okay, lovely, nice and clear, so it just should be direct replacement. Looks fairly identical. It is the same dimension, nice and that's pretty good. It's yeah, a little bit of flex. So the housing looks very similar. That's, I'd say, almost identical. Alright, let's get it off and put them on. Okay, that was the easy bit. There's three. Why is there three? Not sure. We'll find out. Okay, you can see the difference. So, how much more modern does that look? Much nicer than the old orange one. So there you go, all done. Okay, so just an extra little section here. So I had the bright idea of just replacing the lens and the bulb that goes in there. The wiring setup, like to change this wiring because there's a little bit involved with the wiring. Anyway, so you can't do it, and the reason is that the depth in this little plug here is too far for that particular orange bulb. Doesn't just, it's not a straight fit. So that's a shame. I do have to do it properly all the way, replace it with the new one. Oh well, so be it. So with this video we're giving away another one of these throttle assists. They're yeah, awesome little tools for putting onto your bars. You can just press your hand on there and like makes it easy. A little assistant, throttle assist they call it, I think. So to just a little giveaway, we'll just start small. So all you have to do is, number one, hit like on the video. Number two, you have to check in on the first comment under this video. You have to, the Sunday morning riders check-in, make sure you check in there. So that's for two things for YouTube. That'd be awesome. Subscribing to this channel would be sweet as well. And then you have to head over to Facebook, and on Facebook find our Vroom Zoom Facebook page, links below, and just hit like on the Facebook page. And the last thing you have to do is head over to Instagram, and I'll put the link below as well, Vroom Zoom again, and to follow our Instagram account, and that's it. And your name will go into the draw to get one of these little items. So if one person enters, then that person's going to get it for free. Who doesn't like stuff for free? Come on. So that's it everyone, and that entry will last until I upload my next video. So make sure you get in quick and do those things for me, okay? Instructions will be below as well. Alright, thanks for watching and see you at the next video.